This old guitar taught me to sing a love song, showed me how to laugh and how to cry. It introduced me to some friends of mine and brightened up some days. So what we're doing is we're leading the horse now, and I want you to change directions. Lead the horse and change directions a lot, okay? Yeah, change directions to the right and to the left, to the right, to the left. Okay, and when you go to, if you're on the left side, yeah, okay, that's good. When you're on the left side, you got to go through the horse if you're going right, okay? Don't go around him, go through him. Remember how much I had to do the first time? Oh my golly. Is this a horse, a smart horse, or what? Huh? Look at that. Now I'm going to change direction. Let's see if he'll face up to me. Let's face up. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Now can you go that way? I'm asking. Now, come on. I guess I just have to support it. Okay? Now, you guys are going to think this is boring, okay? But I'm telling you, you can't do too much of this. Forward and calm. Because you and the horse are, if you want that horse forward and calm, you are thinking forward and calm. The horse is starting to read your mind. And I know that seems almost impossible because I, as a human, can't read your mind, but I think the horse can read your mind, especially if they're paying attention to you and if they feel the way you feel. So as that horse is going forward and calm, I want you to walk with the horse forward and calm, okay? You be where the horse wants to lay down. You be where you would be when you were riding him, okay? And you would ride him here, okay? So I want you to walk. You walk in a smaller circle. Come on, get out there, okay? But you walk where you would ride, okay? Showed me how to laugh and how to cry. It introduced me to some friends of mine and brightened up some days. It helped me make it through some lonely nights. Oh, what a friend to have on a cold and lonely night.